push your key in the door?
Of course.
You don't have a door, bitch. You're homeless. So I don't know why you're
Are
out
you dumb?
here.
I'm on conditions, bitch. I'm on conditions, bitch. I'm on conditions,
You're
bitch.
at the sisters.
Buddy,
you're in the bird.
listen,
you're at your BFFs. You're in bare different places. Bare different places.
No.
You couch surf. So why the fuck would I need to
No, I do not, bitch. Try again.
Why would I need to
Bro, I never brought you to my spot. You will never know my spots.
Bitch, you will never know mine either.
You will never
so
know my spot.
I don't give a fuck.
You just don't know about it.
I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck.
How about that?
Everybody knows your spot, bitch.
Your brother and your fucking husband killed them fucking self. Okay? They never got packed. They killed themselves.
People commit suicide every day. Your brother got packed by
your husband didn't like it.
What are you talking about?
He left while you were sleeping and killed himself.
SB got shot in his back.
He fucking left you sleeping and killed himself.
What are you talking about?
Bro.
What were you talking about,
bro?
At least they weren't filled with holes.
Your fucking husband
At least they weren't filled with holes. What are you talking about?
You fucking dumbass
What are you talking about?
I don't give a fuck.
What does that have to do with anything?
They killed themselves. That's worse. That's worse. They killed themselves. They didn't want to be with you. You fucking bitch.
My husband killed himself because he didn't want to be with me?
Don't worry, bro.
That's what you're saying?
Yes, he left you sleeping in the fucking yard after you guys are doing fucking heroin.
He was a fucking crackhead,
biggest rail he could do in his life.
Yeah, he was a fucking crackhead, bitch.
He was chasing the dragon. He said, I can't even snort this no more.
Like, please stop. And if you guys are over here, oh, he has a chain and he has Gucci slippers. Bitch, if you go back in his videos, he's had those Gucci slippers since 2005. So I don't know why anybody's coming to me about no motherfucking Gucci slippers, bitch. I got Versace slippers too. The fuck? Like, don't make me start. Please do not make me start. You guys are not going to sit down here and style me. Like, I'm sorry. Like, no, we're not doing that. Like, every nigga in Toronto has a chain and a Gucci slides. I'm sorry. I don't care. Like, he's had those Gucci slippers since his first daughter was born. Why the fuck would I fucking... I don't give a fuck. I do not give a fuck. I don't care who wants to snitch. You guys can snitch all you want. But you're not going to sit down there and be like, oh, she trapped me. How many times a day are you going to say I trapped you? Okay, boom. You said you didn't want the baby and I kept the baby. My body, my choice. I did not trap you. I made a conscious decision to have a baby. With or without you. Because I'm still doing it without you. I was just folding up baby clothes. I was just getting ready for the hospital visit.